So, diretso na tayo dun sa standard equation of circle with center HK and radius R. So, ang standard equation ni center is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So, again, yung standard equation ni circle, nanggaling yan kay distance formula. So, pag may time pa ako, gagawan ko ng video yun, yung pinanggalingan ng standard equation ni circle. But ngayon, direct na tayo sa standard equation ni circle, which is the x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So, again, ang center natin dyan is center. Ayan. Kung nakikita nyo yung H saka yung K, so yan yung ating magiging center. HK. And then yung radius naman natin dyan, radius is, yan, nakikita nyo tong R. So that is the radius, yung R natin. Okay. So kapag may given na equation, dapat kaya nyong ma-identify si HK and then si radius. So again, this is the center, yung X natin, yung H, yung Y natin is si K kapag kinukuha natin si center. So, for example, I have x minus 1 square plus y minus 2 squared is equal to 25, for example. So, ngayon, ang question dyan, determine the center and the radius. Naglalag ang aking pen. Determine the center and radius. Okay. So, again, x minus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 25. So, determine the center and radius. So, again, given tong ating standard equation, ang ating magiging center is si HK. Diba? HK. So, looking at the given, ito yung ating H, and then ito yung ating K. So, ito ay minus 1. Siyempre, pag kinuha mo yung center niyan, magbabaliktad yung sign. Kung negative 1 yan, ang kukunin mo dito ay positive 1. Kasi naka-minus yan. Ayan. Ibig sabihin, positive yung sinubstitute dyan. So, negative 1. So, ang kukunin mo dyan ay 1. How about dito? So, ang K natin ay negative 2. Ang nakalagay dyan, minus 2. So, kukunin mo dyan, positive 2. So, this is the center. 1, 2. Yung ating center. How about the radius or yung ating R? Again, class, tingnan nyo si R natin dito. Naka-square pa yan. So, R squared. Diba? R squared, ibig sabihin i-square root mo pa. R squared, ang given dito sa ating ang given na R dito sa ating given example is 25. So, hindi pa yan yung pinaka-radius mo kasi naka-R squared pa. Kukunin mo pa yung square root. Square root ni 25 is square root of 25 is 5. So, ngayon, ang sagot natin, ito na yung ating R. So, sabi, determine the center and radius. So, the center is ito, 1, 2, and then the radius is 5. Okay, so ganun lang siya kasimple. Kailangan kabisado nyo lang si center. Okay, so let's have another example. So, ang question pa rin dito is determine the center and radius. So, we have for given example. So, number 1, x plus 15 square or the square of x plus 15 plus the square of y plus 11 equals 36. So, identify natin si center. So, unahin na natin si center. Again, si center ay yung ating H and K. Okay? So, ang center natin dito is 15 and then 11. Yung ating H ay 15, yung ating K ay 11. So again, dahil plus yan, ito ay plus. Again, nagbabaliktad ang sign kapag kinukuha natin yung center. Kung plus yan, dito ay negative 15. And then, ang y natin, ay ang k natin is negative 11. So, the center is negative 15 and negative 11. And then, the radius is, so, since yan ang center, ang radius naman natin, again, si radius class, hindi agad si 36 kasi naka-square pa kasi r squared pa yan. So, kukunin natin lagi yung square root. So, ang square root na 36 ay 6. So, the radius is 6. So, naka-r squared pa yan, nalagyan natin. Ayan, r squared. Kaya, i-square root pa. So, ganun lang sa number 1. So, number 2 naman, ang center dito is, so again, si h, basta tandaan nyo class, laging kasama ni h, si x. Ang laging kasama ni k, si y. Kaya pag kahit magbaliktad yan, titingnan nyo kung sino yung kasama. Basta ang kasama ay x, basta kasama yung x, automatic siya si h. Kapag y ang kasama, automatic siya si k. So, kahit magbaliktad, ma-identify nyo pa rin. So, again, balik tayo. Ang center natin dito sa x minus 9 squared plus y plus 7 squared equals 49, ang h natin ay 9. So, since minus 9 yan, ang kukunin natin ay magiging positive 9. And then, ang k natin, para makompleto yung center, since plus 7, magiging negative 7 dito pag kinuha mo yung center. Okay. So, yan ang ating center. We have 9 and negative 7. So, kunin naman natin ang radius. So, sa radius naman, square root ni 49 is 7. So, the center is 9 and negative 7. The radius is 7. So, number 3, kunin naman natin ang center, negative 1 and negative 2. So, kapag kinuha natin yung center, 1 and 2. Kasi nagbabaliktad nga ng sign. So, 1 and 2 is the center. And then, ang radius natin, ang given radius dito, or yung r squared natin, ay 49 over 16. So, it means, parehas yan naka-square. Diba? Naka-square pa yan. Kasi naka-r squared. So, parang ganyan, r squared pa yan pareho. So, ngayon, kukunin natin yung square root ni 49, tsaka square root ni 16. Square root ni 49 ay 7. Over, ang square root ni 16 ay 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So, square root of 16 is 4. So, ang sagot, we have the center 1 and 2, 1, 2, and then we have the radius 7 over 4. Okay, last one, x squared plus y squared equals 12. So, pansinin nyo siya, from example 1 to 3, may kasama si x saka si y na h and k na number. Pero dito, ang given lang sa number 4 ay si x squared and y squared lang. It means na ang center niyan ay 0, 0. Or, ang center natin ay nasa origin. So, ang center natin ay 0, 0. Okay, bakit? Kasi ganito ang original form niyan. X minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals 12. So, ganyan ang original niyan ng x squared. Since 0 naman yung kasama niya, kaya naging x squared na lang siya. Y squared na lang kasi y minus 0 naman. Kaya, ang center natin ay 0 and 0. So, again, kapag kaganyan yung itsura, x squared plus y squared, automatic ang origin niyan, or ang center pala ay nasa origin, or 0, 0. And then, let's proceed to the radius. So, ang radius naman natin, since si 12 ay hindi perfect square, hindi kagaya ni 49, ni 36. So, ngayon, ang ating radius ay square root of 12. Hindi kasi siya perfect square, hindi kagaya ng mga nauna. But, may simplest form pa yan. Si 12, si square root ng 12, pwede natin express as product ng dalawang number, which is yung isa ay perfect square. So, 4 times 3. Again, si 12 ay pwede natin na-express as product ni 4 and 3. So, 4 times 3 is 12. And then, pwede na natin ilabas si 4 since perfect square siya. The square root of 4 is 2. So, 2, and then matitira na lang sa loob ng square root is si 3. So, the answer is 2 square root of 3. Again, sa number 4, the center is 0, 0, and then the radius is 2 square root of 3. So, ganyan lang sa pagdetermine ng center and radius given the standard equation. So, what if, baliktarin naman natin. So, ngayon, ang given naman natin, write the standard equation. Given naman natin is the center and then the radius. So, ngayon, gagawa tayo ng standard equation given tong center and yung ating radius. So, number 1, given the center 2, 3, and the radius 5, find the standard equation or write the standard equation. Again, sa center natin, this is the h and k. So, gagawa na tayo ng ating standard equation. So, x, since laging kasama niya si h, x minus, diba ang ating standard equation again, ay x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So, yan ang ating standard equation. So, kung gagawin natin standard equation nito, x minus 2 squared plus y minus, ang k natin ay 3. So, y minus 3 squared equals, ang radius natin ay 5. So, since naka-squared yan, so ang radius natin dito class sa given ay 5. Since ang r natin ay naka-square, i-square mo pa yan. So, magiging parang ganito. 5 squared is equal to 25. Yan, 25. So, ngayon, 5 ang ating given na r. So, ang ating r squared dito ay 25. Okay. So, how about number 2? So, number 2 naman, ang ating center ay 4 and negative 1. So, magiging x minus 4 squared plus y. Since negative 1 yan, hindi natin gagawin y minus 1. Magiging y plus, kasi negative, negative, positive. Y plus 1 squared equals, okay, so ang radius natin ay 6. So, i-square pa natin yan. 6 times 6 is 36. So, the standard equation is x minus 4 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 36. So, last one, we have number 3. Maglolo ko lang ang aking pen. So, negative 2 and negative 3 ang ating center. So, ang standard equation natin ay x minus, since negative, negative yan, magiging plus. Y plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2 squared plus yung ating negative 3, so magiging y plus 3 squared is equal to, since 4 and 5 yan, square natin both numerator and denominator. So, 4 square or 4 times 4 is 16 over 5, so 5 square, 5 times 5 is 25. So, ang ating standard equation is x plus 2 square plus y plus 3 square equals 16 over 25. Again, class, kapag ang given ay naka-negative, imbis na minus, y minus, magiging y plus. So, be careful with the sign. Okay, so yun lang yung ating lesson for today. So, next kong gagawin na lesson about circle is the graphing, yung paano mag-graph manually. So, yun lang. Thank you.